Hi, my name is Clawson-Alva, and first I'd just like to thank you for the opportunity to participate in this online course. It's been great to learn from the other potential instructors and get to know more about BYU-Idaho and their online program. I think it's a wonderful thing, and I think it is a unique experience for instructors and students in a number of ways. First, there's the online aspect, which allows for so many more people to participate, both instructors and students, with the flexibility of schedule as well as location. And so I think that's wonderful that so many more students can get a quality education from such a wonderful organization as BYU-Idaho. Also with the online aspect comes the benefit of students being able to revisit resources over and over again. Whether that's a lecture or a class discussion, they don't just get it once. They can revisit it and get a more in-depth understanding of the subject that will really help them. The second major aspect of this experience and why it's unique is that it's from BYU-Idaho, which means that the students will be able to benefit from the school's mission, from the instructor standards, and from the learning model, which allows not only academic growth, which it definitely does, like it helps them learn how to learn and really understand what they're being taught in classes, but more importantly, it will help them in so many other areas of their life, in their discipleship of Jesus Christ, and their conversion, and their personal struggles, and their relationships, and allow them to contribute in so many ways to this world. And I think that that is what gets me most excited, is being able to be a part of that, being able to help these students feel like they matter and feel their Heavenly Father's love, and come to Christ, and be able to apply what they're learning in their lives in ways that really help them and help those around them. I think it would be a challenge to kind of balance those things, to hold students to the high academic standards that really should be expected, but to also show that personal care that will help them most. But I think with practice and with prayer and pondering, that I can learn how to do that effectively, that I can help these students build their faith as well as learn to love learning and really grow in ways that they individually need. And I think the online aspect can actually help that, because I can have time to think about things and not just have to react really quickly. And I think also I have a combination of strengths that will really help with this process, with this, with students growing academically and personally. I have really strong writing skills and a love of the gospel of Jesus Christ. And I have a tendency to have really helpful insights, both with gospel and with academic subjects, and being in tune with maybe what is really going on with people, sensing when there's a deeper issue. And I genuinely care about each student, and I think that would come through and really be a strength in my teaching and make a difference for these students. Once again, I just wanted to thank you for this opportunity. I have had to learn so much and to be inspired, and I hope that I have the opportunity to be a part of this wonderful program.